Alright, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to remove background from your image by simply going to your Play Store and download this app, Background Eraser Remove BG. Once you type remove background or remove BG, you just look for this particular one, Background Eraser Remove BG. Once you have downloaded it, click on your apps, access it. Once you access it, I've been using it before. Once you access it, it will show you this interface. Then click on remove background. Once you click on remove background, select any image you wish to remove the background. Select any image you wish to remove the background. For example, let's say I selected this butterfly image. It will automatically remove the background for me. So this app is nice and wonderful because even my data is off. As you can see, my data is off, but I can still use it offline. So the app can be used offline and online. Once you are done removing image from your background, another unique feature of this app I want to show is that it has this tool, repair and eraser. Repair is used, maybe there is a part of your image the background remover accidentally removed. You can use the repair tool to swipe at that place to bring it back. The eraser tool, there is a place the background remover didn't remove properly. You can click on the eraser tool and use your hand and clean that part off. Once you are done, click on the good icon here, then click on the three dots. Always make sure your setting is at 1920p unless you want to subscribe for the pro, where you can now click on 4096. Then you now click save. Automatically your image has been removed for the background. So that's how to remove image from your background. See you in the next tutorial, and if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell, and in order to see all my tutorials on graphic design. Thanks.